Cross-cultural communication. Cross-cultural communication is a terminology that indicates about to know the culture of the different region, different sects. होता क्या है, whenever we try to engage in the other culture, हमें अंदाजा होता है कि what kind of the different and similarities, what kind of the differences, what kind of the similarities we are going to observe. अब हम ये देखते हैं हमारे कल्चर में हमें culture is some sort of the different thing and core values are different. Core values mean speaking the truth, be honest and spend the life with honesty. Try not to interfere in the lives of the other. Do your work with performance, with perfect clarity, and always be positive. But the culture is different. Culture welcoming the others, the attires, whatever the attires you wear, whatever your different kind of the dealings you normally do with the people, and what kind of the thoughts you have for your society and all about your society. Either your society is positive or the negative. So believe me, the culture is something different. When the other one comes in our culture, he becomes astonished. What kind of the norms and the personality and the qualities they normally possess in their culture, as well as when we look into the other's culture, we also taken aback. So we try to respect the culture of the other, and cross-cultural communication starts with your linguistic capabilities, because the different culture promotes the different values. For example, in Pakistan, there are the different and the four provinces: the Sindh, Punjab, KPK, and Balochistan. यहाँ पर बोले जाने वाली भी जबानें अलग हैं, तो इन जबानों की वजह से इनके कल्चर्स भी अलग हैं. इसीलिए लैंग्वेज के हवाले से हम बात कर रहे हैं. इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज एक्चुअली इट प्रोवाइड्स यू द ब्रिज to meet with the others, to do communication with the other, to know about their self, and to do whatever you want, because it's the passport to travel all over the world. For example, just take a minute and think that, for example, you are going to any other country, in the foreign country, and you don't know about their language, whatever they sing, whatever they want to say with you, and whatever, and the suggestion you have, you want to deliver it to them, and you are unable to deliver your message and your suggestion to them. So I think there is not any charm to go there, and there is not any point to enjoy the culture with the full capacity, because whenever you try to find and try to get engrossed in your culture, the first thing is about the message. The message you normally take by the verbal message and by the written message, and the language and learning the language is all about the verbal message. So verbal message जितना ज़्यादा clear होगा, आप उतना ज़्यादा successful रहते हैं. इसीलिए लर्निंग लैंग्वेज को कभी भी हल्का मत लीजिए, एंड ट्राई टू लर्न द डिफरेंट लैंग्वेजेस, स्पेशली द इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज, बिकॉज इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज विल improve your confidence, will increase your worth in the society, and you will be considered as a literate person. Be positive, be focused, and focus on your work.